Welcome to How to Do It. Today we'll see how to change any photo into black and white. So I will first go to File, Open, select the image and open it in Photoshop. Now we would like to change this photo into black and white. So we'll go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and then we'll go to black and white. Click on OK. So a new black and white image has been created. Play around with the properties to make the photo look better. Done. I will also go to layer again, new adjustment layer and levels, second option. Play around with the options you have to highlight the image as you want, and your black and white picture is ready. How to save it? Click here, Mark visible, go to File, Save As, save it on your computer. Black image. That's done. Colored image is black and white image. Thank you.